Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making cheesy keto $1,000,000 spaghetti bake, a rich and comforting low-carb dish that's packed with layers of creamy goodness, savory meat, and gooey cheese. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 lb ground beef, 1 jar low-carb marinara sauce, 8 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 package keto spaghetti noodles, like shirataki or zucchini noodles, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Directions: preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add ground beef and cook until browned, breaking it into small crumbles. Drain excess fat. Add the marinara sauce to the beef. Reduce heat, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, mix together the cream cheese, sour cream, heavy cream, garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper until smooth. In a baking dish, layer the cooked keto spaghetti noodles, followed by the cream cheese mixture, and then the meat sauce. Top with shredded mozzarella, cheddar, and Parmesan cheeses. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese